students, today we will discuss about topic ecology. The main reasons for doing this: what is ecology? We should know about what is ecology, what is its relation to the environment, and the general impact of environment on organisms. Dear students, the study of interaction between living organisms and their environment is called ecology. The first thing we should know about is habitat. A habitat is the natural home of an organism where it lives and reproduces. A place is best suited to be habitat of an organism if it offers the organism an ample supply of food, shelter from predators, protection from bad weather, and a place to reproduce, nest, or to hibernate. Some examples of habitat are ponds, rock pools, trees, and even the bodies of large animals where tiny insects or microscopic animals live. A wide variety of living organisms is found in a habitat. The freshwater pond, as you can see in the picture, have too many living things, plants and animals there. And now the ecology and its relation to the environment. Move on to the environment. Everything around us or an organism that affects its way of life is called its environment. The environment of an organism can be divided into the physical or biotic environment and the abiotic environment and the biotic environment. The physical environment, the first part of the environment is the physical environment. Everything around us that is made up of physical environment which is non-living, such as light, temperature, water, mineral, pH value, and the air. The second part of environment is biotic environment, the living part of the environment. The biotic environment is made up of all other living things which in any way influence the life of an organism. Now we will see what is the physical environment. That is the abiotic part of the environment, the non-living part of the environment. The first thing is light. Physical environment, the climate of a place plays an important role in the physical environment of that place. The first part of physical factors that make up the physical environment is light. All green plants use light energy from sun to make their own food. Photosynthesis, that is the process. Life also enables many living organisms to see so that they can move about, find food, and detect danger. Some organisms, such as earthworm, prefer to stay in the dark. They have developed special features to live in a dark environment. But some insects, such as fireflies and deep-sea fish, produce their own light to illuminate their prey, confuse their predator, or attract their mates. The second part of the physical environment is temperature. The heat received from the sun generally influence the temperature of a place. Most organisms are active at temperatures between 0 degrees centigrade to 45 degrees centigrade. However, the aquatic animals or marine plants can remain active at freezing temperatures of around -1 degree centigrade, while some algae can grow in waters at temperatures of up to 80 degrees centigrade. For most of the organisms, there is a minimum and maximum temperature beyond which they cannot carry out their vital processes of life. There is also an optimum range of temperature within which they are most active. Shedding of leaves, hibernating are two adaptive processes which have enabled plants and animals to live through cold winters. The third part of the physical environment is water. Water is essential for life as there is therefore present in environment in every organism. Tropical rainforests are conducive to life because they are warm and wet. They provide needed wetness and the warmth to grow more plants. Just the opposite of the rainforests, the cactus, a desert plant, has spines instead of leaves to cut down water loss through transpiration. It also has a thick stem to store water. Camels can go without water for weeks. They can drink water, a lot of water at one time, and their body fats can break down to provide them with energy and metabolic water. The next part of the abiotic factors of the physical environment are minerals. Minerals are needed by plants for healthy growth. Nitrates, for example, are used by plants to make protein. Plants obtain minerals from the soil in which they grow, and the organism by their food. The next. Thank you very much, students, for watching my video. You can contact us